For kids, Canopy's own boy band, lyrics country remix.
No, it's not.
Oh man. Stay for 93 to exit 203 in Salem, New Hampshire.
Yeah,
Canopy Lake Park. Parking is always free. For more information, visit canopy.com.
This is a special alert to all Americans struggling with credit card debt. The credit card companies are now accepting reduced
God, I can barely breathe in here.
to reduce debts and lower payments by up to 60%.
Why,
This is
look?
the government-approved
Why
program.
no? Why are you stupid?
Consistent with the recent
Okay, I'll stretch it out like that. Alright, here. Okay. Better? Squish. Oh, well, against the wall. Squish against the wall.
And lowering payments by up to 60%. An open phone line has now been created for
Like my phone?
to call and see if you qualify. The number to call is 800-724-2877.
I picked it out, kinda-ish.
If you're struggling with $10,000,
I said, oh, I really like that. You should get that. And you're like, oh, okay.
Recent interest rate hikes. This government-authorized program is here to help put you into an affordable financial situation.
Alright, we're gonna stop the video, okay? So, bye. Toodaloo.